My name is Dr. Rakesh Desai. I'm a CTO and Chairperson for India business of BSH, which is Bosch, Siemens, and Gaggenau household appliances.
Rajiv, great to have you with us.
Thank you.
My first question would be about what, in your opinion, is the biggest change that's underway in Indian consumers who are looking to buy appliances over the last 18-24 months?
Overall, we see that premiumization is happening in a big way. Focus on quality and technology is becoming much more important than just the price as a sensitivity, and that's where we are getting traction because we are premium brands.
Rajiv, I'm sure you know this, that every brand now puts AI as a marketing slogan, right? What's your take on it, and how do you think Indian consumers who go to buy appliances either at showrooms or online should treat AI as a term which they encounter?
Let's put it bluntly, some AI is used as a gimmicky terms. We do get involved in the AI as a transformation of our company, and we know that AI will be implemented when some of the electronics and the software will be used with AI sensitivity, where the embedded software will do that. That's when we really do AI. But at this moment, it's a gimmicky thing. But we are doing it in a big way within our research.
Thanks, Rajiv. One thing you think India's appliance industry needs to stop doing, and one thing you would like them to do more of?
For me, for our company, of course, focus on quality and technology is much more important. Because at the moment, with the Bureau of Indian Standards, we are bringing in some good quality measures, but we should not be limited for India. We should be in the export mode because we have very good labor force. We have, of course, a low-cost country, and manufacturing will help us boost our export.
Rajiv, you guys pretty much, Bosch effectively opened the dishwasher category in India. Nobody was aware of dishwashers before Bosch brought it to India. What was the learning like in launching dishwashers in the country?
It was a very hard journey. So we are number one in dishwasher business across the world, and we are a number one brand in terms of in overall European products as a household appliance. For us, dishwasher evolution was very important because it's a hygiene. We treat as providing the best dishwashing and for family taking care of it, and we wanted to evolve that, and we realized the market is not accepting, so we started demonstrating. We are willing to give even 30 days free demonstration for someone to take it away and try it out, and we find that 95% of people are accepting, and then they keep it. So we are trying to create the market, and it's not against any human efforts, but it's about giving for family the best hygiene.
German engineering at Indian price points, it seems like there are two opposite ends of the pole. Name something you refuse to compromise in the name of making anything affordable.
So this is where we initially struggled, and you can see that recently we have started growing. So some compromises we did make, and that's for local. But in general, some part of the technology we don't want to give up because we believe that that additional money which people are paying, they are getting the reliability, and that quality and reliability we want to sustain in the market.
Rajiv, what comes out of the Chennai factory versus what tech or products you import into India? What's the mix like?
So currently we are manufacturing all kinds of refrigerators and front loader washing machines. We have plans for bringing in more products. At the moment, probably half and half, because some of the categories like dishwasher and cooking appliances are still imported. But in long run, we will localize everything.
Final question: our inaugural DITAA 2026 awards. How's the evening been for you? Your impressions?
It's very well organized. Really impressed. In general, we were expecting something good outcome out of it, because you have been testing appliances for weeks, and we are confident that when it comes to technology and the quality, we should get some awards. But in general, I think it's very well organized, with minister's speeches, and the sponsors and all provided a very good forum for you all guys.
Anything you would like us to do in the next edition next year?
So I have a Australian background as well, and there's a magazine called Choice, similar to yours, and it has become a benchmark for anybody who wants to buy good appliances or any product. If Choice provides a nomination, it becomes sort of recommended. I think Digit can become like that for every category of not only appliances but mobiles or any telecom products or things like that. So I think a very bright future ahead for Digit, I see.
Thank you so much, Rajiv, for the kind words and your insights.